What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be walking you through how I created this super cute Minnie Mouse cake. So as you can see, I start off by leveling off my cake layers. I'm actually using a new leveling tool today. This is the Wilton leveler. And I will definitely say that it makes my cake layers come out a lot more clean and precise. So before I transfer the cake over, I did go ahead and put down just a little bit of frosting on the board just to prevent it from sliding around. And now I'm just going to start putting on my first layer of frosting. I'm using my vanilla buttercream frosting for this. So I'm going to just start leveling off my second layer. I usually level my cakes with a serrated bread knife, but using the Wilton leveler definitely makes my cakes come out a lot more even. So now I'm just going to start putting on my second layer of buttercream frosting, and I'm going to smooth that out. I like to use quite a bit just because you want to make sure you have an even layer of frosting in between your cakes. And then for my final cake layer, once I get that one leveled off, you'll see that I'm going to actually flip it upside down and then put that one on top. The reason why you do this is because the bottom of your cake is going to be the most flattest and round. So I do that, and then I'm going to just start putting on my crumb coat. And as you can see, I do like to start by going up the sides first, and then I do the top and go around and bring it down on the sides. That's just my way of doing it, but do whatever works for you. And I'm just cleaning up the board a little bit, and then I'm gonna smooth it out on the top. I'm actually gonna pop this in the freezer for about 10 minutes to firm up. I did actually forget to put my paper straws in to stabilize the cake before I frosted it, so I did have to go back and stick those in before I moved on to the next step. So that's what I'm doing now. And now that that's got hard and cold, I did go ahead and start putting on my second layer of frosting. And again, I like to go up the sides first and then go on the top, bring it down and around on the sides. And I'm just smoothing this out. And since this is my last coat of frosting, I did use a bench scraper to clean it up, just to get rid of all those really tiny holes and different things in the cake. And then I went ahead and just kind of took it up on the top. I did go back and smooth it off some more that you guys didn't see. Now that that's done, here comes the fun part. So now I'm going to start putting on my fondant decorations. I decided to put a medium-sized Minnie Mouse on the front of the cake, which all I used was black fondant, and I cut out circles with cookie cutters. And I made the ears and the face, and then I also made a red bow out of fondant as well, with white dots on it for Minnie Mouse, of course. And I did put a little bit of water on the back of my fondant just to help it kind of stick to the cake. Now I'm just adding on some letters. This is for a 2-year-old, so we decided to go with "Oh Toodles." I thought that was super cute, and it's a really trendy idea that's going on right now as well. So we put "Oh Toodles" on the front of the cake, and then now I'm just putting some red fondant dots around the cake. I kind of was saying in my head up down to kind of help me evenly distribute it around the entire cake. And once I did that, I did decide to do some miniature Minnie Mouses around the cake. So again, I used that black fondant for the face and ears, and I did the red fondant for the little cute bows, and I thought that was gorgeous. Now I'm just kind of cleaning it up because I'm a perfectionist. It's what I do. I'll own it. It's okay. So I'm just kind of cleaning up the frosting where it kind of got on the fondant a little bit. And now I'm just going to top it off with some large Minnie Mouse ears. And I also have a large bow to go along with that. I thought this cake came out super cute, guys. It's something that I'm definitely proud of. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Bye.